The crypto market just hit extreme fear, but this isn't panic.
So it's a crash. Everyone is selling off.
No, it's precision capital rotation, and 6 key developments will define your next moves.
Okay, so where is the smart money actually going right now?
It started with NVIDIA's $57 billion quarter. That triggered a massive pivot for crypto miners.
A pivot? What are they pivoting to?
They're converting their data centers to AI workloads. It generates 25 times more revenue.
25 times? Wow. So the infrastructure layer is just evolving while the broad market panics.
Exactly. At the same time, the derivatives market is a powder keg ready to explode.
How big are we talking? What's the risk?
Bitcoin open interest is at 62.9 billion. Ethereum's at 35.8 billion.
That's a massive amount of leverage. Which way are traders leaning?
They're split 50-50. Funding rates are neutral. When this breaks, liquidations will amplify the move.
So high volatility is guaranteed. What about the altcoin ETF rotation you mentioned?
Over $2 billion flooded into Solana ETFs in their debut week. Bitcoin ETFs are bleeding capital.
$2 billion in a week. So institutional money isn't leaving crypto, it's just moving.
It's hunting for next-gen infrastructure with regulatory approval. This validates entire ecosystems.
This must be why we're seeing some tokens explode, right?
Yes, low-float tokens are up 41%, led by Dymension's 123% rally.
Is that just hype, or is there substance behind these moves?
It's substance. Look at what's actually shipping. zkSync just achieved 15,000 transactions per second.
So these aren't just promises. They're live systems processing real transactions now.
Correct. They're solving the blockchain trilemma. Capital follows real adoption. You have to position before the masses.
And what about the picks and shovels play in all this?
Tensor surged 163% by commanding 70% of Solana's NFT market.
So dominating essential infrastructure in a growing ecosystem is the key.
It's the metric that matters. And there's more. Protocols are launching token buybacks using actual revenue.
That creates a real price floor. What's the latest on regulation?
The US and EU are splitting. The US is moving to clearer rules, while the EU is forcing privacy coins off exchanges.
So the market isn't crashing. It's just maturing at a rapid pace. How can people keep up?
That's why we deliver updates every 12 hours. It's the only way to stay ahead of these critical shifts.
So what's the final word for our listeners?
Subscribe and like for the next pulse. Position yourself before the masses understand the shift. We're live again in 12 hours.